Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video, I will teach you guys on how to write and use for loop statement using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. C is one of the most popular programming language until now. It is also considered as one of the most oldest programming that is still being used. It is used primarily in many types of application like operating systems, system utilities, games, antivirus, device driver, and many others. In learning C programming language, it is very important for us to understand the basic structure. One of the basic structure of C programming language is looping statements. Looping statements is used primarily to repeat a certain action in our program. There are three types of looping statement in C: the for loop, the while loop, and then the do while loop. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you the most commonly used type of loop in C, that is for loop statement. So let us start with writing here sharp include stdio.h int main begin. Okay, so I will declare here int a equals 0. We declare a variable a equals 0, and then we have here for open and close parentheses a equals 1, a less than or equals, let's say 10, semicolon, a plus plus, begin, print f. Okay, so we have here present for d for decimal, comma a, and then we close. Now we can have return 0 to return to the operating system. That's it, and then we save our work. Okay, so we go to C, YouTube, for loop in C, and then we have here for underscore loop dot C. Okay, so let me explain. Our for loop statement is divided into three parts. The first part is the initial value. The second part is the conditional statement, and then the last is the incremental or decremental. As we can see in this first portion, a equals 1. Normally in C programming language, we don't start counting by 1, but rather that we count starting by 0. But in this case, we don't want to start displaying values in 0, but rather that we want it in 1. And then we have here the second portion is a less than or equal to 10, so conditional statement. So if a less than or equal to 10, true or false? Yes, because the initial value of a, we have only 1. Now, the equal sign, we want to display a series of integer number from 1 to 10. And then, the third part is the increment. So, the increment, we are just adding by 1. And then, we have here the begin, and then printf percent for d, decimal for integer. The 4 represent the distance between numbers when we display. Okay, so, we close and then we return. No? So, we have here, let us build and run. So we have already here the output on the screen. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's it. Okay, as simple as that. One thing for beginners to remember that C is a case-sensitive programming language. When we declare a small letter A on our variable declaration on the top here, you should be followed in small letters throughout your program, or else it will generate an error. On the other hand, C is also what you call this, a free format programming language. You can put some space whatever you want in your statement without worrying. There are some programming language that you should follow the right spaces between statement, like Fortran, and then Python for conditional statement. So here we go. We have already finished our for loop statement in C programming language. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you like it by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.